Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to delete blocked numbers on your Android phone. Step 1. Open the Call app. This is the default app you use to make and receive calls. Step 2. Next, see the corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot menu icon, also called the More option. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Step 3. Next, the Settings menu, see and tap on Blocked Numbers. Here, you will see the complete list of phone numbers that you have blocked. Step 4. Now, select the number you want to remove from the blocked list. Tap on the minus symbol or the Unblock Delete option next to the number. Confirm your action and the number will be removed from the blocked list immediately. The number is now successfully unblocked. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.